Welcome back, Elixters. Let's continue building our cat photo app. We left off at 10th step, so let's move on to 11th step. We are going to complete step 11 to step 20 in this session. Okay, we're going to be learning how to turn our texts into hyperlinks. It's pretty simple. We just need to place the text between the opening and closing tags of an anchor element. Just copy and paste it here and you're done. Step 12. Just to prove that you can turn any text into a link, here they took an example of paragraph tag. You can specifically choose the text or texts of a paragraph tag and convert it into hyperlinks by enclosing it with an anchor tag. So we are asked to enclose the words cat photos with an anchor tag with an href attribute to link freecatphotoapp.com. Let me just quickly do it. Yay, we got this. Let's move on to step 13. Since we already let people know where the cat photos are, we don't need another separate link, right? So let's delete the extra anchor tag below the paragraph tag. Yep, target acquired. Proceed to step 14. Okay, do you find it annoying if the links open in the same tab? I do. So if we want our hyperlinks to open in another tab, we need to use target attribute with the value as _blank in our anchor element. Copy and paste. Done and done. Step 15. So previously we turned text into a link. Here we turn an image into a link. Use the same method, guys. Just wrap the image tag in an anchor tag. Why am I supposed to go the Batmobile? I don't know. Well, let's move ahead with step 16. Okay, it's time to organize our code a little bit. Shall we? To separate the cat photos content from the future content, we need to make use of section element. It's used to define sections in a document, such as chapters, headers, footers, or any other sections of the document. It's a semantic element that helps with the SEO and accessibility. It's all about tidying and organizing and also to get traffic on our websites. In the end, all we need is traffic on our sites, don't we? So let's enclose H2, comment, paragraph tag, and anchor element and nest them in a section element. Yay! We created our first section element. Step 17. It's the time to create our second section element. So let's add another section element below the first one. What do you think what all we're going to add in second section? Step 18. Okay, no more suspense. We're going to be learning how to add lists on our webpage. For that, first add a new H2 element with the text cat lists. Oh no, shouldn't have added the period. It's a typo. Sometimes it's confusing, y'all. So stare at it until you get it right. Step 19. Let's add a subsection H3 under H2 element. Looks like we will be listing the things cat love. I think I know one. That's catty nip, meowing and scratching other people. Ugh, that hurts. Pikachu chooses me, and you. Step 20. If you want your pointers to have bullet points without number listings, use UL element, which stands for unordered list elements, typically for the lists where order doesn't matter. Okay, let's continue with the lists and further steps in upcoming video. Stay tuned and I'll catch you in the next one.